At a meeting of Rocky Mountain arborists, I recently gave a presentation on what to do about that big old apple tree. There were over 200 professionals representing municipalities, commercial tree care companies, and educational organizations, all promoting the benefits that trees provide. Yet only one attendee was familiar with the technique that has solved the challenges that big old apple trees pose. I love fruit trees, and apple trees in particular. I've helped grow over a dozen gardening programs with educational, therapeutic, and vocational outcomes, often using espalier techniques to engage participants in what I call gardening that grows people. But had I known then what I know now, I would have created more apple gardens using the spindle technique instead, due to its simplicity, plus how long traditional espalier takes when children grow so fast. Now that I'm retired from directly running individual programs, I'm eager to share with gardeners, educators, and arborists how you can avoid the challenges that big trees bring by adapting the spindle method to your landscape. You may already know how valuable the right tree in the right place is in providing positive environmental services, yet you might not be familiar with how the spindle technique works by using three biological factors characteristic to apples to create a smaller, more productive, and efficient tree, what I call a big little tree. In fact, you can grow 12 small spindle trees in the place of one big old tree, and have fruit over a 6-month season from 12 different varieties of little trees. It's so much easier and more time efficient. Commercial growers now almost exclusively use the spindle technique, yet it's something of a mystery to me why so many folks still haven't heard about it. You can hear the full talk by following the link and signing up for my newsletter to get updates on my forthcoming book, The Apple Garden. In the future, I foresee small apple gardens filled with heirloom varieties that demonstrate the many culinary, cider, storage, and fresh use varieties that remind us why the apple is one of the most versatile, resilient, and reliable tree fruits, ready to help fuel a regional food renaissance. Caution, apple gardening may become your next obsession.